Oh, Kacy, I want to grab a snack. Yeah, I will get some. Sorry, Ashla. I think Kacy finished all the snack. Oops. Sorry, little sis. Or can I say Ashla? Or stop saying Ashley. Well, that's what everyone call you, Ashley. That's your nickname. Urgh. You know, Ashla, do not mind her. Okay, so, Mommy, I want a juice. All right. Wait a minute. That is so funny. Uh-oh, Kacy. You're in big trouble. Oh. No, I'm not. Yes, you are. Kacy, hand that phone over. And stop with the loud noise. Fine, if you don't want me to see that. You can play something with your sister. Sister? I had scissors, I had paper. Stop with the loud noise. Stop. I had paper so you can cut me. Please. Okay. Kacy, stop with the loud noise. Sure. You're just jealous, guys. No, we're not. You're being screaming like a big parrot. No, I'm not. I'm a people. What the? Mommy, why she just do that? Kacy? Fine. Here's the phone. Aha. Thank you, Kacy. Now, we'll get up. I can play with you. Yeah. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I got the rock. I get paper. So you'll smack me? Oh, no, silly. Ugh. Well, it was just a try for me. You know what? It is I will smack you. Her miss his. You're welcome. I hope you will had more time. Wait a minute. This what's causing all this. Oops, sorry. That was loud. I forgot to tell you who I got that dress like you. What? That's funny. Yeah, I really brought that. Isn't it true? I'm not sure it's true. I never seen her actually in her you know what? I was just joking. Okay. Please, I will hide this. Mommy, about the clock. She will not play the clock anymore. Okay, well, fine by me. Yeah, me too. Me too. So, do you want to play Oh, yeah, the clock. What the? But... What? Where is Kacy? She's bringing with the clock in that cartoon. Cartoon? You want to watch cartoon? No! Oh, in there, I mean. Oh. Yes, the clock. There was a disaster. That was horrible. Don't put that all actually loud. What? I got boringness. You can't play with your BFF besties. But durr. You should have an afternoon sleep. Yeah. Hello? Oh, what? Clock? Oh, yeah. This is your chance. You will have a play. Not again. Well, it's fun. idea. Your wish is my command. Wait, what you say? You're not a genie. I'm planning something good for Kacy. So what? We need to play a game and then make it 50% and then we need to hide them. But now she will be making loud noise. Then we will hide them. What? Bad idea, Lou. She heard. Oh, I guess it's a good idea, but I supposed to know. I can't sleep with all that loud noise. Me either. Guys, you should learn. Where'd that come from? Smack, smack. You're not even smacking it. Oh, yeah? Huh? No! Please stop! Good afternoon. Kacy's still playing that loud noise. How dare that? You know what? We need to make a decision. Who will be hiding it? Decision? What's that? Never mind. Over. Yeah, it was fun. You're welcome. I guess it's time to see what she will do. It was just joking. We'll not go home yet. It was one day. Let's go. How many days? We're just including just today. Making me such a funner. We need to saw what she's sleeping for. We need to I guess we can have a little gadget. Ugh. Is she crying? I don't think so. Yeah, right. Who's crying? I don't know. Is she sick? No way. She's not sick. It's from the... Sorry, I'm kind of a little sick. You. What's you? You even had a sickness. Oh, wow, I just hate it. Oh, dudes. You know what? A girl who really likes doing this. I really love this sunlight. It's so fun. Yeah, I know. It's so lighty, so amazing, and even a lighter. Okay. Horror bell. Here's the horror bell. To change it color sounds? Yeah, Ashla did. She has this idea. Let's wake her up. Wait, where's the battery? I had it in my pocket. Okay. Okay, here. Here it is. One, two, three, go! Go! Oh, you were silly. 1, 2, ready? Go! What? That is so funny. Hey, we can really play outside and enjoy in the rain. Yeah, will be so fun. Mommy, why am I all punished? Sometimes you don't listen. Come on, just punish. Fine, it will be much harder. Oh, great. For 22 days. What? 22 days? That will be 2 weeks, right? Never seen. Spot it, Lou. Yeah, sweet hiding spot, Lou. Thanks, girls. I will hide it. What are you doing, um, Ashla? Actually, I had a really nice idea. We can prank and make it more louder horror bell 30 times. Sure. Where is that phone? Wait a minute. Is this a sound? Yup. I found it. Oh my goodness. Oh, thank goodness. It's just put it back. Wow. Okay. Where is the pudding? I really take the battery off. That what? Are you sure? Yeah. Oh yeah, it fits. Wow. That is amazing. Now we had everything in the clock. Now we can strip it. I am punished. This fun is not fun for me. Loud noise creep me out. We had fun times, but now we need to leave. Yeah. Sorry, we need to leave. Aww. Well, it's just like a play date. We can sleep over next time or amazing. Okay, I think that's our mom. Yeah, my dad is there. Okay. Hey, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Who says bye-bye again? I don't know. That's what everyone say. Bye-bye. Well, I'm glad that is over. Yeah, that creeps me out. Okay, so what snack do you want? What the?